Have you ever wondered who drives the daily momentum of the Pakistan Stock Exchange? Is it foreign money, local institutes, or retail investors like you? The key to understanding this market engine is the daily FIPI/LIPI report. Let's break down this crucial tracking sheet. In stock markets globally, the single most powerful factor is transparency. The FIPI/LIPI report, published daily by the National Clearing Company of Pakistan, NCCPL, serves that exact role. It records every buying and selling transaction made by foreign and local players. The data divides investors into two distinct portals. The FIPI portfolio captures GORA or foreign corporate, foreign individual, and overseas Pakistani funds. On the other side, the LIPI portfolio separates local individuals, banks, mutual funds, and insurance companies. How do you read this sheet? It's simple. First, remember that all values are computed in million US dollars, USD, not Pakistani rupees. Secondly, pay attention to the net column. Figures written inside brackets like this represent negative selling pressure, while normal figures indicate active buying.
The sheet is divided into heavyweight sectors such as banks, technology, cement, and fertilizers. By looking across the grid, you can quickly analyze which specific sector the GORA is selling and where local mutual funds or banks are stepping in to support the prices. To locate this portal yourself, simply head over to the official NCCPL website. Hover over Market Information, click on Portfolio Investment, and you can download the complete historical files to analyze market trends like a professional strategist. By mastering FIPI/LIPI, you can stop trading blindly and start following the real smart money. Do you follow the foreign flow or trust local institutions? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more PSX hacks.